Today, I'd like to share the solutions for common problems of sow postpartum. Last time, I introduced the three common postpartum diseases of sows: endometritis, mastitis, and postpartum dyscalculia syndrome, or we also call it as PPDS. And these three diseases are currently the most common diseases in the pig industry, which seriously affect the production efficiency of sows and the health of piglets. Such as mastitis, it can lead to the decrease of milk yield, the change of milk composition, refusal to suckle, the decrease of disease resistance of piglets, and increase the death rate of piglets. The damage of mastitis to the breast is mostly irreversible, which often leads to the direct elimination of sows. And we all know that bacterial infection is the most important and critical factor in these three diseases. You know, there are the main bacterial species responsible for these three diseases. The harm of bacterial endotoxins seriously affects restrict the recovery and the production of sows. Postpartum prevention and control of these three diseases should be considered comprehensively. Timely prevention and treatment. Comprehensive control should be done in these three aspects. First, strengthen feeding management. Second, improve preventive drug health care to prevent the postpartum birth tract infection. Of course, feed additives can replace antibiotics is the best of choice. And the third is to remove endotoxins produced by bacterial infection in sows. Antibiotics are an effective way to kill bacteria, but improper use of antibiotics can also damage sow immunity. Therefore, it is necessary to use antibiotics with reasonable advice from veterinaries. Although the application of antibiotics can effectively kill the bacteria will release endotoxins when they die in the body. Endotoxins have a strong damage to the body's organs. However, the harm of endotoxins is often ignored by veterinarians because the use of antibiotics will affect human beings to a certain extent. More and more countries began to ban the use of antibiotics. So, I would like to share with you today a good way to replace antibiotics and how to better remove the endotoxins produced by harmful bacteria. The first is the eucalyptus oil, a plant extract that can effectively kill most harmful bacteria, completely replace antibiotics, and it is safe without side effects. It has been reported that eucalyptus oil can kill at least these bacteria. In addition to killing harmful bacteria, eucalyptus oil can also help to eliminate inflammation caused by bacteria. which has a very good anti-inflammatory effect on the recovery of endometritis and mastitis of sows. The second is to eliminate endotoxin produced by harmful bacteria in sows. As we all know, the liver is the biggest detoxification organ. Infection with bacteria and antibiotics can damage the liver function of sows. This is also a very important reason why it is difficult for sows to recover from these three diseases. And bile acids can help sows to eliminate endotoxins and protect the livers. So as to improve the functions of liver detoxification. Let's take a video to learn more about it.
At the same time, bile acids will part from the compound and back into the liver through portal vein, then enter into intestine with the new secret ones to finish its enterohepatic circulation. Under this circulation, recyclable bile acids will promote bile secretion. A large amount of bile can wash out endotoxin and mycotoxin produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. What's more, adding bile acids can also effectively release the heavy burden of liver, thus play an important role in protecting the health of liver and gallbladder.
In conclusion, the use of bile acids and eucalyptus oil can prevent and treat these three problems of postpartum sows: endometritis, mastitis, and postpartum Escherichia syndrome. For more information, please contact us. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lachance bile acids has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas. Bile acids, one perfect solution for fatty acid nutrition.